Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use Cash App on Amazon. Now this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so that you don't miss any important steps. Now the first thing you actually want to do is head over to Amazon, and what we want to do from here is go into the top right corner where it says our name, and when we hover over that it brings down this drop down and we just want to click this option here which says account. Now from here we can see all of these options for our account. However, since we're trying to use Cash App on Amazon, we're going to go ahead and click Your Payments. And then from here, we want to actually add in a payment method. So we're going to click this, Add a Payment Method. And here you can see all the payment methods you can actually add. But you might have noticed that there's not actually an option for Cash App. There is one for Venmo, but not for Cash App. So how do we actually go about using Cash App on Amazon? So the way to use Cash App on Amazon is by ordering a cash card. And as you can see here, it says the cash card is a free customizable debit card that is connected to your Cash App balance. So it basically means you can pay with Cash App using this card, and it will basically work as a debit card. So here are the steps on how you can order yours. You first want to go to the cash card tab on your Cash App home screen. From there you can press Get Cash Card, then tap Continue, and then follow the steps on the screen. And just to note, you must be 13 plus with parental approval, or older than 18 to apply for a cash card, and your card will arrive within 14 days. So once you have got your card, you can head back over to Amazon, and what we can do from here is look for this option that says credit or debit cards, and then click add a credit or debit card. Now all we have to do is enter in our card number, name on card, expiration date, and also CVV or CVC of the cash card that we have received. And it will basically just work as a debit card like any other credit or debit card would. So that's exactly how you can use Cash App on Amazon. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.